Mi sa che non mi incazza,
My mother who cry in the TV when she felt the
Porco Dio!
Berlin walls destroyed by the people. Because the idea, without marketing and commercial structure, the rise.
Dio schifoso can, Dio cane, Dio bubu.
Are not good. But for a country, this is also the representation of possibility. He was a worker, so he invented the telephone to speaking about in the theater.
Ma cos'è sto telefono, porco Dio?
A genius. He wasn't able to use the copyright license, come si dice brevetto?
Ah, non lo so io.
License in 80, adesso come spesso accade in questi momenti, tocca al now is the time to eat to the lunch, and therefore Italian politician is absolutely crucial to say now is the time of.
Dio cane! E non si riesce a capire un cazzo! Ma che oh!